It's not open.
Sprinkles Possible Weight 56. Hey, look at that. My cat Charlie just...
Us in the studio for about 50.
That we've been seeing out there here across St. Pete. Hello, Deja.
Entonces, bueno,
the ancient communist secret services.
Benefits to working from home. As much as I'd like to be back there with everybody.
For Anna, she's like, no. It's been a week since I've seen her. Hi, this is my cat. That is the perks of working from home.
Which cat is that?
That's Puppy.
Puppy.
And responsibilities. What's the name of your cat?
Sorry.
Star Trek Live still showing just a few sprinkles of rain.